Hello, my name is Christopher McKelvey. I'm a lecturer here in the Department of Economics, primarily teaching statistics and econometrics. And so I wanted to talk a little bit about the difference. We have two versions of econometrics in the department, and taking one of them will be a requirement of completing the certificate in economic analytics. And so I wanted to chat a little bit about, well, why do we have two and what are the difference between the two, as it's sort of a choice you'd be making as part of the certificate. So one of the classes is Econ 410, which is a class that is really designed to help the people who take it to prepare themselves potentially for taking graduate classes in economics. So perhaps you're thinking you might want to get a master's degree in economics or a PhD in economics. Econ 410 is really one of the stepping stones that you'd want to take to help make that leap to being ready to complete graduate level economics. It's one of the more mathematical classes in the department. To give you a sense for that, here is one of the classic proofs that you would do in Econ 410, just to sort of illustrate the level of mathematics that are required. Here, we might use the properties of summation to write out a lot of, to rewrite the estimator in a more convenient way, so that we could ultimately use the properties of expected value down here to show that the expected value of the estimator is equal to the truth. In other words, to prove the unbiasedness of the OLS slope estimator. So here we're really being careful to make assumptions and show under those assumptions whether or not we have a biased or an unbiased estimator. Now that is different than Econ 400, where you would learn this result, but you would learn it as a result and you would never prove it using first principles. So Econ 410 tends to be a better match for people who want that kind of theoretical background, whereas Econ 400 is more oriented towards doing. You learn the key theory of econometrics without actually proving it. So if you're interested, maybe in going straight to a job after college, then that's probably a better match. If you're thinking about graduate studies, but thinking about graduate studies in a more applied discipline like data analytics, then probably Econ 400 would be the better match. And then both of these classes would unlock the door to Econ 460, which is another class we offer in the department that focuses on econometrics. It's sort of a more advanced form of econometrics where we're interested in time series data and in ultimately using time series data to forecast economic trends. So that's a bit of an overview of classes in the department. Thanks so much.